Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 22nd, 2024. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Right now, why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 puzzles this afternoon. The first one, the 3 Star Sudoku. Number 8578. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Yeah. A 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, we have 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 in this row. 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the first column, so no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes at there. Then. Oh, no. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left with 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we have 7 in this column. Middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the row below, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 7. Alright. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the last row, so in the row between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Well, cannot continue with the 3. How about? Need a 1 here. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Nope, we have a 6 here. Correction. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9, 189, 189, 189. And look, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. How about the 3 now? Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, and the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can count. And all the 3s are used. I can see. These number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. No. 4, 4. All right. And now. 5 and the 2. 2 and a 5. Okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number should be a 5. Need a 5 in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in one of these 3 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for 5 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes in there. All right, now 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so no row between the second row. Only place left for 6 should be there. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Well, need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. All right. Yeah. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, 2, 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. That means that the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Okay. 8 and 9. 6 here. Need a 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Five. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this column. No 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 in this big square. Could be here. Could be there. Here we have also 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 in these two boxes. So one box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there. Mark those two boxes early with 5. We have a 5 in this column. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Okay. 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Need a 5 there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the first one, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. Column between the middle column, the only place left with 2 should be there. Need 2 here. Alright. Alright. 2. 2 and the 8. 2, 8 and need a 4 here. The 4 need a 2. Come on, come on, come on. 9, 8 and need a 8 here. Need a 8 there. Need a 8 here, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column down, each place left 8, could be here, could be there. So here we have 8, here we have 8, that means in the last row, the 8 should be in one of those two boxes. Because here can mean 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here can mean 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We have 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and 8. No, we have a 1 here. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and 8. The other pair in this big square are numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 6 and 8. Right. And now, but the 9. 9 and 8. We have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and 6. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 2 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 6 should be there. 6 and 8. Overlook this 6. We have a 6 already here in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. So we have 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the only place level 6 should be here. And all the sixes are used. I can't see. This is for number 6. 8 or 9. We have an 8 now in the first column, so this box should be a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place level 9 should be there. And I've eliminated at 5, so the 5 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for almost 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the model. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in, no, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only place level 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Whoa. We solve it again. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.